It all started when Council Speaker Robert Kabanda stopped Area Member of Parliament Betty Namboze Bakireke from using Luganda as she had requested. While addressing the council, Namboze said that the majority of councillors do not understand English well, a reason why majority of them have never said anything in council since they were elected.
The notice of any motion for the amendment of any of these rules shall be accompanied by a draft of the proposed amendment. Therefore, on that note, Honorable MP, I pray that we shall comply with this. For today, we are deliberating in Uganda, not until I get the draft of the proposed amendment.
However, this left the councillors divided.
We've been not asked for any qualification at all as the councillors, but since the debate is in the parliament, that we should have qualifications as councillors, we should debate in English.
The constitution is written in English. The minutes are written in English. I have not seen any interpretation of those in Banachura or in Uganda. So now why do you tell me to start debating in Uganda when the other documents are in English?
The people in the gallery need to get what is being debated by the councillors. So they should debate in their local language. It has no harm.
The council, in a special way, welcomed the Pope's proposed visit to Uganda, saying that Mukono municipality will benefit a lot in terms of infrastructure development, especially road networks heading to Namugongo.